Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Cap. Today we will study chapter 11. It's raining from Art and Activity Skill Book. Now, first of all, tell me, all of you like rain? All of you likes rain? Yes, we all like rainy season. We all like rainy season. Now, come back to our worksheet. It's raining. Color the raining scene as shown. Color the raining scene as shown. What is this? This is clouds. This is clouds. And this is rains. Drop of rains. Now, take out your crayons and take out your which color? Blue color. Take out your blue color and start coloring with me. Fill it neatly and properly. Fill it neatly and properly. Do it neatly and properly and fill the gaps. Do it slowly and neatly. Slowly and neatly. And fill the gaps. Complete it fast. Complete it fast. Now take out your silver color or white color. In clouds, white color is this. I am doing white color. Then this is clouds are already in white. That's why you can't see white color. Okay. Start doing your silver color. Start doing your silver color. Complete it fast. This is rainy scene. What is this? This is raining scene. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Happy learning. See you soon in the next class.